Hey, in this video I will tell you what is liquidity farming feature. We will stake some crypto in liquidity pool and we will find out if this feature is useful at all. And spoiler, not really. So liquidity farming is when you stake 2 coins in a pair, the automatic system uses your coins for clients and you get rewards for this. It's that simple. So let's take a look where the liquidity farming page is. In Earn, click liquidity farming. On the main page, we see 2 types of coin pairs, stable and innovative. Stable is when both coins are not volatile, and investing in them means little risk and little rewards. Innovative is when at least one coin in a pair has high volatility, which means higher risk but higher rewards. On the main page we see the coin pair, how much is invested in this pair, your rewards as an annual percentage. Reward will be in this crypto, volume for 24 hours, and you can manage the selected coin pair. Let's choose a pair and stake 2 coins, for example BNB and BUSD. If you have enough of 2 coins in your wallet, the system will distribute them and you will not pay any fees. But if you have only 1 coin available, then the system will convert half of it into another coin and you will pay a trading fee. How to convert coins on Binance with 0 fees, watch in my another video here. We can change our pair. If you have 2 coins in the wallet, the calculator will show you how many coins to add, but keep in mind that you need to have a minimum amount of each coin. I don't have minimum amount of BUSD, so I choose BNB only. If you add only 1 coin, the other will be converted with a fee. Next, we see summary, our annual percentage, accept the terms and click add liquidity. But before doing this, it's very important to understand that you will always have such a thing as impermanent loss. And it doesn't matter whether the value of coins will rise or fall, you will almost always lose some of your coins. I will leave a link here to separate video about what is impermanent loss is. Let's click add liquidity. And we are done. On the main page you will see how many unclaimed rewards you currently have by clicking the claim button, and you can claim it anytime. To remove your coins from the system, click remove, choose a coin, amount, and you are done. I will show you real quick where is the main liquidity farming page in the app and come up with the overall conclusions about this feature. In more, find Earn section, then tap liquidity farming. And here everything is the same as in a computer. In my opinion, all the beauty of this passive income method is destroyed by impermanent loss. Doesn't matter whether the price of coins goes up or down, you will always take an additional loss. Not a financial advice, but I think it's better just to stake the same coins with Simple Earn, for example. And by the way, Simple Earn video is the most popular on my channel, so you can go and watch it right now. But before doing this, click a like button, subscribe to the channel and write a comment. What do you think about this kind of earning? Maybe I'm wrong, maybe you have different experience. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.